we are mechanical students. We are working on a project called voice control robot. So this is basically the prototype of the voice control robot, and we are 3 members in the group. My name is Sanjay, he is Gnaneshwar and Darshan, and we are working on voice control robot. This is the prototype.
One.
The components which we are using in this project are the L290 motor shield, which basically powers all the 4 Bow motors, and there is the Arduino Uno, which is placed down. So this is basically used for programming the board. So basically this collects the data from the Bluetooth HC module, and then it transfers it to the L290 shield, and based on the input the motors move either forward, backward, and make it also turn left and right. It also stops it if the condition is stopped.
One.
So this is the mini breadboard. This is the breadboard. This is the battery, and this is the Bluetooth HC module, which receives the data. And now we'll go on with the working of this project. Side view ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೂಚು ತಗೋ.
Go.
Now we'll demonstrate the working of the project. I connected the phone to my Bluetooth to the Bluetooth device. It's both are prepared, and now I'll give the instruction to it. Forward. So this is basically moving forward because there's less charge in it, so we're not able to show it working. This is basically moving forward. Okay, you can see it here. The wheels are moving forward.
Go.
Stop. And basically this would stop when I tell it to stop. So basically the whole project is working on voice commands. So when I tell forward, it will move forward. When I tell backward, it will move backward. When I tell stop, it will stop. Due to power constraint, we're not able to show the perfect working of it, but it actually works.
Go. Thank you, ma'am.